Today is the coolest day I have in the 7-day forecast. It is going to heat up quickly. Let's take a look here at the temperatures right now. So a lot of us starting out in the 50s this morning, or at least the lower 60s. We made it to 66 in Okeechobee, 62 right now in Fort Pierce. West Palm at 66 degrees, continuing to warm up quickly. We're going to make it into the lower 80s. That is right around average. Now for the beginning part of the day, we're going to have tons of sunshine, but heading into the afternoon, especially in Palm Beach County, could have a stray shower or even a stray thunderstorm. Now highs today right around average, lower 80s, not bad, but take a look at what happens as we head into Thursday and Friday. Upper 80s to end the week. Not only that, humidity is going to increase, so it's going to feel more like the mid 90s. Rain chances remaining low through the rest of the weekend.